Hello guys, and welcome to this new Excel tutorial. In this video I'm going to learn how to split a column into different columns depending on defined separator. The separator can be space, can be tab, can be dash, etc. In our example we are going to take the following phone numbers and we are going to split them into two different columns. The first column it will contain the country code, and the second column it will contain the phone number. We can do that with two different methods. The first one, it will be text to column method, which can be done as the following. So we select our phone numbers, we click on data, we go to text to columns, delimited, so characters such as commas or tabs separate each field. Click on next. So here we have the different delimiters, and in our case we have the dash. So we select other, dash, next, and we are going to have the following columns. So the first one, it will be the country code, and the second one, it will be the phone number. When you click on finish, we will have our country code on the left and we'll have the phone number on the right. So here we can write country code, and on the right we have the number. All right, can just format that, select everything, and we have the table. We can do the same thing using built-in functions, as we can see in here. So same thing, here we have the phone number, right? And the country code, we can get it using the left function. So basically we write the following function equals to left of B3, so which is our cell, right? And here we are going to use the find function. So basically find dash in B3, so its position, it will be location 3 minus 1. So it will select the two left characters of the B3, which is plus and 1, whereas the number, it will be on the right. And same thing, to select the number on the right, we are going to use the right function. So basically we write right of B3, right? So the length of B3, it will be 13, as we can see here, we use the length function, right, minus the location of the dash. So in this case we have 1, 2, and 3, right? So we have 13 minus 3, it will select the 10 right characters, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in this case we are going to select the 10 digits or the number using the right function, and if we compare the two numbers or the two tables, we get exactly the same country code on the left and we have the numbers on the right. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.